Here's a Facebook ad I just found. I was just scrolling down my news feed. It's a local agent, and it's more about branding, but they have a button down here to contact us. Definitely would change that button to learn more and change this line of text. But my main point here is the people that are clicking here, it's not going to the best page for this agent to capture leads. So when I click on this, I'm sent to the property search page here. So I go directly here, and that's this page with all these fields. It won't capture leads at a very good rate. And then with most of the people on mobile devices, look at it here. So if I saw this ad, even on my desktop like I'm looking at now, but especially on my mobile device, and I click and I go here, I'm not going to spend a lot of time filling out all these fields. What you want to do is make the lead capture process easier, and we use pages like this from Postaprop that have a one-click lead capture. So you promote, in this case it's Palm Springs, I believe. Yep, Palm Springs homes at a certain price point. Here, click here to see the homes, and as soon as they click that, the lead information's captured and dropped in your database, and then we would send them to a page like this with the search already set up at a price point maybe under 500 or under 600,000 in a city. And this is the best way to utilize a Facebook ad like this to build your lead database and convert all of those clicks into leads. And here it is on mobile. So just take a look at the difference. Think of the mobile viewer when they're seeing this ad right here. Instead of clicking and going here, it's much better to go here, where all they have to do, it's nice and clear and bold. They just have to click here for lead capture. And then you can deliver the information. Again, the lead information is dropped in your lead database. You're building a database, building your brand, and then you could follow up with the leads with email, text, phone calls, whatever you need to do. You follow up with the leads and the database that you're building with this Facebook ad. And it's an easy fix. All you do is send the traffic here to capture leads. You can find more about this at postaprop.com. Just go to postaprop.com. We have live examples, information on how to use Facebook. And if you want to see a case study that really shows you how to use a Facebook ad and a landing page to capture leads, scroll down and click this. You're going to love what you see there. It's a short video. It has a live example where you can click and go through the lead process. Just check it out. You'll like what you see. It's postaprop.com.